In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable background sound on your iPhone. Background sounds basically minimize distractions and help you to focus, be calm or rest. Just head into your phone settings. On this page, scroll down onto the option of accessibility. Scroll down and select the option of audio or visual. Tap on the option of background sounds. Enable this option on. You will listen to any selected sound while doing other things on your phone. You can decide to choose any sound right here. That's how easy it is to enable background sounds on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.